Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix Viber restore chat problem. If your Viber chats are not restoring, do not worry, this is a common issue and easy to fix. First, make sure you are using the same phone number and cloud account that was used for the backup. Without this, the restore will not work. Then check your internet connection because restoring chats needs stable Wi-Fi and view now. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Look for Viber. Swipe it away, completely closing it. Wait for a few hours and then reopen the app. If it still fails, restart your phone and try again. Also, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Viber, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Now your chats should restore properly. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.